Dear students, we are starting chapter number 16. The topic is chemical industries. So first of all, a little bit introduction about chemical industries. Industries are very important for our development of our country. When Pakistan came into being, there are little bit industries, but now we have sufficient industries to fulfill the requirements of our people. So in industries, first of all, we have to discuss how metals are extracted from earth. So we are starting basic metallurgical operations. In basic metallurgical operations, first of all, we have to learn some little definitions. The first one is minerals. Okay, what are minerals? The first definition is minerals. So what are minerals? Minerals are solid natural materials found beneath the earth's surface which contains compounds of metals in the combined state along with earthly impurities. These are known as minerals. So what we understand, what are minerals? Minerals are solid natural materials which are found beneath the earth's surface. जो भी चीज जमीन के नीचे सॉलिड फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है, they are known as minerals. So we have to take minerals from the earth and we have to extract metals from these minerals. So the second definition is ores. The first one is minerals, the second one is ores. So what are ores? Those minerals from which we are taking metals. After many operations, after many process, we are getting metals. They are known as ores. So how we define ores? Those minerals from which metals are extracted commercially at a comparatively low cost with minimum effort are called ores of mineral, ores of metals. All the solid materials which are found from the earth, they are known as minerals. But those minerals which contains metals, from which we are getting metals, they are known as ores. So there is a question to differentiate between minerals and ores. So we can differentiate. Minerals are solid natural materials, and from these materials what we are getting? We are getting metals. The metals which contains metal, they are known as ores. The third definition, that is known as gangue. Third one is gangue. So what is gangue? Gangue, the earthly earth and other impurities associated with the minerals are known as gangue. The impurities which are present in minerals, we are taking minerals from the earth. They are not in pure form. They contain earthly impurities. When these impurities are present, they are known as gangue particles. So the fourth one is known as metallurgy. So what is metallurgy? Metallurgy. Now how we can define? Metallurgy is a process. Metallurgy is a process by which we can obtain different minerals and metals, from our impurities, from our earth material that is given the name of minerals. So how we define metallurgy? The process of extraction of a metal in the pure state on a large scale from its ore by physical or chemical means is called metallurgy. So what is metallurgy? The process of extraction of metal. किसी भी मेटल को आप एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं उसके ओर से, कैसे? बाय फिजिकल मींस और केमिकल मींस, दोनों प्रोसेस हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. फिजिकल भी कर सकते हैं और केमिकल भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस प्रोसेस, व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? वी आर गेटिंग आवर ore in the form of metals. So now there are different methods for the extraction of metals. So the process involved in metallurgy for extraction of a metal in the pure state from its ore are different methods. There are in metallurgy there are different methods. The first one is concentration of the ore. Okay, what we are doing, we are concentrating. We are taking large amount of ore and we are doing concentration. We are minimizing them. Concentration of the ore. The second, extraction of the metal. Metallurgy consists of the first step, concentration. The second step, extraction of metal. Extraction of metal. And the third one, refining of metal. Refining of metal. So these three process includes in metallurgy. Metallurgy में what we have to do? First of all, we are concentrating the ore. The second one, we are taking extraction of metal. We are extracting the metal. And the third one, we are purifying the metal which we are obtaining after metallurgy. We have to purify them by refining. So these three process, concentration, extraction and refining, it is included in metallurgy. So now we are discussing the first method, that is concentration of ore. So what we have to do? Concentration of the ore. So concentration, it also includes different methods. Concentration includes different methods. The first one is in concentration of ore, the first procedure is known as gravity separation. The first one is gravity separation. Gravity separation. In gravity separation, what we have to do? Gravity separation depends upon mass. Gravity separation is based on the difference in densities of the metallic ore and the gangue particles. Gravity separation basically it depends upon density. Metal ores have different density and the gangue particles, they have different density. So what we have to do? We are taking we have a tank which is attached with a water pump. Water is added into the tank. Water is added into the tank and there is a point from where we are doing separation. So what we are taking? We are taking ore. So what we have taken? We have taken ore. Ore is put it into the tank. So what we are adding? We are adding water. After adding water, what happens? The ore becomes wet. The gangue particles, earthly impurities, mud, sand, all these, what happen? They washed with water and overflow with at the end. And what happened? And the जो metallic ore है जिसकी density ज़्यादा है, it settled down at the end of the tank. In this process, the powdery heavy metal bleeding ore settles down on ignition in a stream of water, while the lighter gangue particles are carried away by the water, as shown in figure. What we have done? We have taken ores. Ores are washed with water. Earthly impurities, mud, sand, dust particles, they are removed from the ore. And what happened? Due to difference of gravity density, metal particles are settled down at the end of the tank and earthly impurities are removed. In this way, what we have done? We have concentrated the ore. इम्प्योरिटीज आपने निकाल दी, उसको आपने सेटल कर दिया. आपने जो इतना ज्यादा मटेरियल लिया था, ऑब्वियसली अब वॉश करने के बाद आपके पास और कंसंट्रेट हो गया, उसकी अमाउंट कम हो गई. अब उसमें से आप जो है अपने मेटल को एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये दैट इज द फर्स्ट मेथड फॉर द कंसंट्रेशन. हाउ वी डिड ऑन द ग्रेविटी सेपरेशन. The second one is fourth flotation process. Fourth flotation process also used for the concentration of the ore. Okay, what we are doing? We are doing fourth flotation process. The second one is fourth flotation process. In fourth flotation process is based on the wetting characteristics of the ore and the grain particles with oil and water respectively. So what we have to do, we are taking a tank. In the center of the tank there is a rod which is attached So what we are adding? We are adding compressed air. It means air is added with pressure. We are adding compressed air. This bar is moving twice. Or what happened? There is water. We are doing wetting of ore with oil. What first step is about? What we have done? We have put oil on our ore. The ore is put into the tank. There is water. We are adding compressed air. What happened? There is become pressure and it is moving constantly. तो तमाम जो आपका ओर है उसके ऊपर जो आपके सॉलिड को गैस पार्टिकल्स हैं, मड है, सब कुछ है, वो नीचे इसके अंदर टैंक में आपके सेटल डाउन हो जाएगा. तमाम इम्प्योरिटीज जो हैं वो आपके यहाँ आके सेटल डाउन हो जाएंगी. ये आपने कहा जनाब वेटिंग प्रोसेस फोर्थ फ्लोटेशन में क्या होता है? आपकी सारी इम्प्योरिटीज जो हैं वो सेटल डाउन हो जाती है. और चूंकि आपके ओर के ऊपर एक कोटिंग आ जाती है, जो आपने अपने अंदर इसमें ओर डाला है उसके ऊपर एक कोटिंग आ गई है. कोटिंग किस चीज की? ऑयल की. आपने उसको अच्छी तरह पहले ऑयल से वेट कर दिया था. आपने वेट करने के बाद इसमें से एयर पास किया, उसको मूव करवाया, प्रेशर बिल्ड किया, तो आपको क्या हुआ? आपका जो ओर था उसके ऊपर ऑयल की कोटिंग थी, वो क्या हुआ? वो फ्लोट करता हुआ आपका ओर सारे का सारा अपर सरफेस पे आ गया. ठीक है, आपने हवा उसमें ऐड करके उसको ग्रो करते रहे. ये रुका रहा आपका, आपके गैस पार्टिकल्स, अर्थली इम्प्योरिटीज सारी जो है नीचे सेटल डाउन हो गई, मड नीचे बैठ गई, स्टोन्स नीचे बैठ गए. और आपने क्या किया? आपने कहा जनाब जो सारा ऊपर फोर्थ की फॉर्म में, झाग की फॉर्म में जिस ओर के ऑयल लगा हुआ था वो सब ऊपर आ गया. तो आपने यहाँ से इसको सेपरेट कर दिया. ये अनदर मेथड फॉर द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द ओर. एक कंसंट्रेशन आपने ग्रेविटी सेपरेशन के जरिए की, दूसरी कंसंट्रेशन आपने कैसे की? फोर्थ फ्लोटेशन प्रोसेस के जरिए आपने की. ठीक है, अब हम यही कंसंट्रेशन कर रहे हैं. द थर्ड प्रोसीजर इज नोन एज ग्रेविटी. ग्रेविटी सेपरेशन, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन हम उसको कहते हैं, जो हम मैग्नेट के जरिए करते हैं. आपने कहा कि थर्ड क्या है? एक और मेथड है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन. Another process for the concentration of the ore, electromagnetic separation. Electromagnetic separation is based on the separation of magnetic ores from the non-magnetic impurities by means of electromagnets or magnetic separators. Electromagnetic separation, the ore which contains metals. Mainly we are doing electromagnetic separation for the ores which contain metals. So metals are attracted towards magnetic separators. So what we have to do? We are taking a belt we have taken a belt is moving. On this belt there are magnets. This belt helps to catch or hold the ores which have metals character. So what we are taking like this, we are adding ore from this side, and this belt is moving like this. This belt is moving. Ore is coming and it passes into the belt. जब आप और इसमें से ऐड करते हैं और ये बेल्ट पे से मूव करना शुरू कर देता है, मूव करता है। जब वो बेल्ट की तरफ आएगा तो जो आपके ओर्स में मेटल्स हैं वो मैग्नेट के साथ अटैच रहेंगे, और जितने भी आपके डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, स्टोन्स और अर्थली इम्प्योरिटीज हैं वो सब की सब एक साइड में यहाँ पे एक ऐसे डंप होना शुरू हो जाएंगे, और जो मैग्नेट्स आपका ओर है वो आगे आएगा। जब आपके बेल्ट में से मैग्नेटिक करैक्टर फिनिश होगा, मैग्नेटिक करैक्टर जो है वो फिनिश हो गया। अब आपने कहा जनाब जब मैग्नेटिक करैक्टर फिनिश हो गया तो यहाँ पे आपका जो ओर है वो यहाँ पे ड्रॉप होना शुरू हो गया। तो आपने कहा जनाब हमने सेपरेशन कर ली ओर की और अर्थली इम्प्योरिटीज की। एक बेल्ट के ऊपर से आपने अपना ओर को ड्रॉप करना शुरू किया, आपकी जो भी है चीज वो उसमें से मूव करने लगी। जब मैग्नेटिक करैक्टर फिनिश हो गया तो ओर एक साइड पे रुक गया, जब उसने मूव किया तो आपकी अर्थली इम्प्योरिटीज एक साइड पे रुक गई। तो हमने कहा जी इस तरीके से भी हम इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन के जरिए भी अपने ओर को कंसंट्रेट कर सकते हैं। क्या करते हैं हम? द powdered ore is dropped over a leather belt moving over two rollers, one of which is magnetic. The non-magnetic ore falls first and the magnetic ore gets attached and falls farther away. वो पहले आपका अर्थली इम्प्योरिटीज कर गई, उसके बाद आपका मैग्नेटिक ओर थोड़ा सा फासले में। तो आपने कहा दोनों की हमने सेपरेशन कर दी। So there are different methods in metallurgy. Metallurgy comprises concentration of the ore, extraction of metal, refining of metal. So today what we have discussed? We have discussed how we can concentrate our ore. In concentration there are different methods. The first one is gravity separation. The second one is the fourth flotation process. The third one is electromagnetic separation. So today, dear students, you have to learn all these methods, and inshallah in the next lecture I will take your assessment in this chapter, in this topic, and further we will learn all the extraction of metal carries. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.